turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the retaining screws on the cover of the glove box. Now, on the left, release the retaining tab for the cover and remove it. You will then be able to see the flange on the cabin filter. Remove the flange. Take the outer extremity of the cabin filter and remove it. Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. You can then put the flange back. And put the cover back on the glove box. Operation completed.